Glossy text effect. Today we will make it in Alight motion. And this text can be used in multi ways. For example, in making thumbnail, banner, or in any text animation, this text can be used in many other projects. And assets file in the description. These are alphabet letters, which we will customize. I have already added the letter S. And these are some effects, before which you can customize the text. The more you experiment, the better the result will be visible. And my favorite is the hot color effect. And if I duplicate this effect, a new effect is created. Now for glow, I duplicate it, then apply Gaussian blur effect. After that go to blending option, screen it, then reduce opacity. So some can edit this text in this way. So hope you have liked this text effect.